Today, I'm going to show you how I like to make venison stuffed mushrooms. These stuffed mushrooms are great as an appetizer. If you want, you can even use the bigger portobello mushrooms to make them a meal. But they're rich, they're creamy, they're ooey, gooey, everything you could possibly want. Let me show you how to make them. First, we're going to take our mushrooms, we're going to brush these off. I don't like to use water because mushrooms are 90% water. It's going to absorb and they're not going to cook properly. We're going to remove the stems. We're not going to discard these. We're going to chop these up. Now we're going to saute up our onions. Once those become translucent, we're going to go in with our mushrooms. We're going to let those cook down, cook out all the moisture. We're going to season with some salt and pepper. And we're going to go in with our diced garlic for about another minute until it starts to smell fragrant. Now we're going to go in with our ground venison. We're going to add a little butter because this is lean. With it being lean, it can take on any types of flavor, and we can also overcook very easily. So we don't want to do that. We're just going to brown this, and it's going to finish cooking inside the oven while we're baking the mushrooms. Now we also do not want to forget to season the venison. So salt, pepper, our Italian seasoning, and some Worcestershire sauce. We're going to cook this for another minute, stir it, set it aside to let it cool down. Into our softened cream cheese, we're going to add shredded mozzarella, Parmesan, and our fresh parsley. We're going to get this mixed up and set aside. Now we're going to combine our ground venison and our cream cheese mixture. We're going to get it all stirred up till there's no more large clumps of cream cheese and everything is distributed evenly throughout. Before we start stuffing the mushrooms, we're going to want to preheat the oven to 350. Now, I like to take a little ice cream scoop, scoop some of our mixture, just place it right inside that hole right there, inside our mushrooms, put them on a baking sheet, and we're going to set them aside. Before we bake these mushrooms, we're going to add a little crust on the outside. We're going to mix together panko breadcrumbs, butter, and Parmesan cheese. You can leave this off, but I think it adds a nice contrast to the texture because mushrooms are soft. The inside, the filling, is creamy and soft as well, so this is going to add a nice texture to them. We're going to top them. We're going to bake them in our 350 degree oven for about 25 minutes. Our mushrooms are done, but to finish them, we're going to broil them so that way that breadcrumb topping that we put on gets nice and crispy. So kick the oven up to broil, and we're going to let them go for about 2 minutes. These are smelling amazing. Before we dig in, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. That really helps us out. If you're interested in checking out more of our recipes, make sure you subscribe so that way you don't miss them. You can also check out our full written recipes on our website, shoptaggedout.com. But let's dive in. Got a bite? Oh, those are so good. The mushroom is perfectly cooked. That filling is beautiful. It's rich, it's creamy, no ingredient is overpowering. Everything blends together very well. Now if you want, you can stuff these into big mushroom caps and make them a meal. Or they're even great in the small ones like this as an appetizer at a party or get together. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.